Bunnies, Bugs and Beasties takes small animals into primary schools, nurseries, children's centres and care homes for the elderly and those with learning disabilities. We also attend village fetes and open days. Each visit is tailored to the individual group, so for the very young, as well as the animals, there are songs and stories to hold the children's interest. For the older children, props are used to better explain information. Group sizes are kept small so that everyone gets the chance to handle the animals in a relaxed, non-pressured environment. During our visits to care homes, residents often recall pets they kept as children, and many memories are triggered. These bunnies are Midnight and Moonbeam. They are dwarf, mini, lop-eared rabbits and are a great favourite with all the groups, but are especially popular in the care homes, where their soft fur makes them very tactile, especially when poor eyesight is a problem. This twitching nose belongs to Gertie the guinea pig, here with her companion Giggles. Guinea pigs are rodents which originated in South America. They make excellent pets because they are so placid. Guinea pigs communicate with each other using a series of high-pitched squeaks. They come in many different colours and have a range of different fur types. Gertie is a smooth, short-haired guinea, whereas Giggles is a short-haired Rex type, which means her coat is a little more coarse. Guinea pigs are also said to be excellent swimmers. This slimy mollusk is Snippet, the giant African land snail. At the moment he is about 8 inches, or 20 centimetres long. His hard shell protects him from danger and grows with him. The soft, slimy body is called the foot and contains muscles and a slime-producing gland which enable him to move. He thrives in a warm, moist environment. Snippet has 2 pairs of tentacles on his head. The largest pair that you can see are the eye stalks. Snippet eats cuttlefish, which contains calcium to keep his shell hard, as well as fruit and vegetables. Giant African land snails can live for up to 10 years. This beastie is Titch, who is a salmon-pink bird-eating tarantula from Brazil. They are the 3rd largest spider in the world, and Titch will eventually have the leg span the size of a dinner plate. In the wild, their prey includes insects, frogs, lizards, and of course, birds. They have voracious appetites and actively hunt and ambush their prey, subduing it using venom in their fangs. They are a ground-dwelling, non-web-making species. During presentations, Titch stays in a small container, but participants can pass the container around and study him, thereby ensuring a risk-free experience for both Titch and the audience. Minnie is a Mexican red-kneed tarantula. He is a very lazy spider and prefers to sit and wait for his prey to pass by, rather than actively hunting. Minnie is 2 years old and is almost fully grown. These wriggly bugs are Madagascan hissing cockroaches. They are one of the largest species of cockroach and produce a hissing sound by forcing air out through their breathing pores. In the wild, they live under rotting logs and feed on decaying vegetable matter. The female gives birth to live young rather than laying eggs. If you look carefully, you can see some of the babies crawling around. Cockroaches are nocturnal and use their antennae to feel their way around because their heads are actually tucked up under their bodies. Their legs have hook-like hairs to enable them to grip onto surfaces. And unlike most other cockroaches, they have no wings. Cockroaches have to molt and shed their outer skin several times in order to grow. They like to live in social groups, and the collective noun for a group of cockroaches is an intrusion. These graceful creatures are giant African millipedes. The name millipede is Latin for 1,000 feet. In fact, they only have between 100 and 400. They are arthropods and have 2 sets of legs per body segment. As they mature, they grow more segments and therefore more legs. They are docile and slow-moving and curl up in a tight coil if they feel threatened. They can live for 7 years and grow to 10 inches long. Millipedes are detritivores, which means they eat decaying leaf and plant matter. And they trundle along the forest floor, keeping it clear of rotting vegetation. The 3 large black ones are called Miles, Millie, and Meter. And the smaller brown ones are chocolate millipedes called Cadbury and Galaxy. They are a popular part of the presentation, especially in schools. This is Monty, the royal python. Royal pythons are large-bodied, non-venomous snakes originating from west, east and central regions of Africa, where they inhabit grassland, savannas and sparsely wooded areas. Their diet consists of small mammals. Adults reach 3 to 4 feet in length, and their lifespan is 20 to 30 years, but some individuals live into their 40s. The name royal python is believed to be due to the fact that African rulers wore pythons as jewellery. Cornelius is a corn snake. He too is non-venomous and is a native of central and southeastern parts of North America. Like Monty, he feeds on small mammals. He will grow to 4 to 5 feet in length and live for about 20 years. He is a firm favourite of all the groups we visit, and people are always pleasantly surprised to feel that his skin is smooth and dry, not wet and slimy as they previously thought.